Hello friends, I am Lakshman. You are watching Learn Programming by Lucky Sir YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn Tell me about yourself interview question. Almost all the interviews start with this question. With this answer, you have to make good first impression. This is the common interview question for both freshers and experienced professionals. Whenever you enter into cabin, interviewer will ask your resume and then ask, tell me about yourself something. Here is what I am going to explain you in simple manner how can we answer it. To better understand, I have divided this answer in 8 steps. Let us discuss step by step. The first step is you have to say your name and from where are you. So for example, I am Lucky, I belongs to Hyderabad. In step 2, you have to mention your education qualification details. Like I completed BE in computer engineering from IIT schooling with an aggregate of 75%. Coming to the next step, you have to mention your family background details. Like we are 4 members in our family, including me, my father as a supervisor, and my mother is a housewife, and my younger brother is studying 12th standard. In coming to the fourth step, you have to explore about your technical skills. For example, I'm quite good at C, C++, and Java. So here you can tell what skills you have. And coming to the fifth step, you have to mention your strength. For example, you have to say like this. My strength is takes initiative to work independently, versatility, good leadership skills, positive attitude, and hardworking. Coming to the sixth step, is tell about your hobbies. So, for example, my hobbies are playing shuttle, net surfing, and a passion for music. Coming to the seventh step, you have to mention our goal. For example, I'm fresher. My short-term goal is to get a job in a reputed company as well as my long-term goal is to become more responsible and acknowledgeable personality and on a respectable position in my company. In the step 8, finally, you have to tell, you're a fresher, I'm not having any experience, but I assure that I will do my best and work hard for the company if I got selected. So that's all about you have to say answer in this process. So thank you for visit. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel and if you really love this video, share to your friends and comments please. Thank you for visit. Have a nice day.